Over the last 2 weeks, the COP has met in Brazil, and there is a discussion about the 1.5 goal or the 1.5 degrees Celsius goal being dead. And in modern human civilization, this is the first time where we've reached beyond the tipping point where there will be consequences for our actions. And I wanted to highlight just some of the things we see with 1.5 degrees being now the new normal and what it looks like in practice. And two recent ongoing disasters that we see, Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica was intensified specifically by warming oceans, warming seas, which made it move slower over Jamaica. And this photo just above is the debris left over, and how Jamaica now has to manage that debris and go through their own recovery. The second is Iran's already crushing water scarcity and day zero issue, where the capital of Tehran is running out of usable fresh water. And for the last 5 months, they've had water shortages, water cutoffs. So there's been reports of people living in apartments on the higher floors not able to access any sort of water when temperatures are plus 40, plus 45 degrees, plus 51, prolonged heat waves. Not only do we see fresh water scarcity be a significant component of our climate and our weather patterns, but also intensified heat waves that can cause drought, that can reduce again that fresh water. And these are just two examples that are recent. But as you start to look around, we see a shifting climate does not only mean more intense disasters, but it also means shifts in local ecosystems, that they will never be the same. And I think Dr. Catherine Hayhoe says it best. It's not just a shifting climate, it's a weird climate. It's something that we've never seen before. Or she says global weirding, or a new climate weirding, which is aptly described in the way that we have never seen our climate act like this in our lifetimes. What does tomorrow and next year and the following year hold when it comes to our climates? We just don't know. We are now in the state where anything, whether it's the really large disasters, the more severe disasters, the more frequent disasters, and not all of them are happening the same, but that's the period that we're living through now.